What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to take a look at Gala. We just locked in a 10% short right before the bounce. So we got out just at the right time. We're saying at 0.02873, up 6.3 on the day. See, market cap 800 million, 25 volume 85 million. So if we look at the chart, big bounce. We exited our short trade right here on this trend line for a nice 10% profit. And now we've seen a huge bounce back to the upside, which means we're still yet to put in the wave 5. So you have a wave 1 to the upside. Right now you're pushing up in the micro 3. And then you'd pull back in a 4. You might push all the way up to the trend line. You'd push up in a 5. Take you up to about 0.02975. Of course, anything can happen if you just saw an explosive move to the upside. We've seen it before. But we are staying within this wedge pattern. So it may be that we're just coming up to complete the wave 5. Complete the larger wave 1 before seeing that wave 2 pullback. I did talk about the bullish cross, and we're currently holding that level. So of course anything can happen. This is one of our swing trades. We're in multiple swing trades. We also do short-term trades. So we came back, retest the bullish cross. We are pushing up. Anything can happen, but I am expecting us to put in that wave 2 pullback after we see a rejection. So do watch for that. That will offer another long trade opportunity for a swing trade. Signal will be given in the Discord. So watch about 0.02975 for a potential rejection, even before then, but we could easily push up to that trend line. Actually, we could probably pull this trend line down a little bit. It's not quite on the candles. Yeah, so up to about 0.02943, maybe a little bit higher. Push up, stomp out the short traders who are looking for a deeper pullback, and then potentially pull back. We'll have to see it. I mean, if Bitcoin breaks out, then then Gala will see a straight breakout. We just have to look at what the charts are telling us right now, and as of right now, we're still in this rising wedge. So I think we're just pushing up to complete that wave 5. All right, gang, that's it for this one. My signals are $10 a month. Firstly, make sure to sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN. Back's a bit sore today. All around the world, my subscribers only who sign up with my link at the top of the comments get 10% off their trading fees. 10% rebate on your trading fees. Sign up to BTCC. My VIP rooms are $10 a month. As you can see, I'll pop open the trades here. Where's my friend? Locked in 16% on VET, 10% on Gala right before all these coins started bouncing, and BTC 10%. We locked in all those profits. My signals are $10 a month. My daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex analysis, Forex signals. Give Forex signals every single day. Trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. All for $10 a month. Make sure to sign up down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.